That hardened fast. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl JAZ.like.the.music, and we're back with another video. So don't know if you would even care about something like this, but I thought I'd make the video because when I was interested in looking stuff like this up, I looked up YouTube videos. But so today I have my kit from Smile Bright Club. Like, my package came in, I ordered it 2 days ago. It took me 2 days, $18 for the kit. You do it, you send the impressions back. Even if it doesn't work out, you get free teeth whitening. So I decided to do it. So a little backstory. Yes, as you can see, my teeth are pretty straight for the most part, but I actually had braces a couple years ago. And I don't want to say I didn't keep up with the retainer, but I didn't. But also, the retainer that I was given was so thick and bulky that my job at the time required a lot of talking. So it's like, not only did I talk with a lisp, but it was just always falling out. These are supposed to be like much smaller, I don't know, more comfortable. We'll see. And if you don't like them within 30 days, send it back. So today I'm doing the impression kit with you guys, and I'm just showing y'all the process, everything it comes with. I just took the plastic off. I haven't opened it up so we can look together. Yes, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So as soon as you open the box, there's an impression guide, which I failed to read, and you will see that later on in the video, but it's pretty self-explanatory. And then there's actually a sheet that gives you the prices on if you pay one time, it's cheaper as opposed to payments. And it actually has 4 different impressions, 2 for the top and 2 for the bottom. And then it has the putty that you're going to mix together, which will activate as soon as you mix it up, and then you can use it to mold the impressions of your teeth. So, and again, like I said, there's 2 of each. Then at the very bottom, we have your smile stretcher, which you're gonna use to take your pictures, and gloves, cause Rona. So here's the smile stretcher. I'm not gonna do it on camera, but all you're gonna do is place this bad boy in your mouth and then take pics of the top and the bottom teeth. Pretty simple. All right, guys, so now that that is done, I'm about to show y'all what not to do one time for the one time. Even though I didn't realize that's what was about to happen, bear with me here. So grab 1 purple putty and 1 gray putty, and then you're gonna mix those bad boys together to where they make one solid color. Make sure you don't see the 2 separate ones, one solid color. Then you're gonna roll that into a log and place that right in the impression. But here's where I mess up, y'all. Ooh, where does it go? Right here on the counter. Why I decide to read the instructions. No, that's real cute. Okay, and let me show y'all what to do, because apparently I don't know, but I'm pretending like I do. Step 1, step 2. Uh-oh, it starts to set in that I can't find what to do. So forget it. Let's just go with it. All right, so I press it on my teeth, and at this point I'm thinking, maybe this is how it's supposed to feel. Like, why are my teeth not going in? Maybe I placed them too close to the plastic and they're hitting the edge. But no, that's not what happened. But still, I'm thinking things are going great. I'm drooling, so it must be going right. Let's see. Let's pray about it. Let's drool a bit for dramatic effect. Okay, 2 minutes and 30 seconds later, pop that bad boy out, and that shit hardened fast. 30 seconds, dummy. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so round 2, let's try this again. Let me tell y'all where I messed up, guys. So after reading the instructions, it says you literally have 30 seconds after you have mixed the 2 colors together to put the mold in your mouth. 30 seconds. I probably sat that bad boy on the counter for 30 seconds plus a minute that it should have been molding onto my teeth. So we're trying this again. And this one actually went on much smoother. As you can see, the putty is kind of pushing out of the sides because that's where it made room for my teeth to force the impression in there. So this was much better, to say the least. So now we just wait. Make sure you have a towel because you will be drooling, especially with the bottom teeth. And voila, I did it. Now time for the top teeth. I'm not gonna lie, after having those, the impression, like the little moldings in your mouth for so long, your jaw does start to hurt a little bit because you're forced to keep your mouth in a certain position and open for that amount of time. So take a break between each one. But I did the top just like the bottom. It's the same process, mix the two. I will say though, the top molds are more aggressive than the bottom. And I say that to say, like, you feel all that gunk in the roof of your mouth, and it's just like, I for a second I thought I was gonna throw up because it's just a lot going on in the roof of your mouth. But definitely worse than the bottom, but definitely bearable. So same thing, just push it straight up on your teeth and then give it a few minutes to kind of set, and you will be good to go. But you do drool less with the top ones for whatever reason. And we done. We out here, son. All right, guys, so this is my last impression, so I'm not going to give the instructions again at this point. It's pretty self-explanatory. I will say this process was actually pretty easy for an at-home kit, and in total time, this probably took me 20 minutes, so not bad. I'm not gonna lie, I would recommend. Second set came out great. All right, guys, we're done. I will say I can see why they give you 2 of the impressions, because the first one I didn't realize it was going to harden so fast, so that's gonna be pointless in there. But the second one did pretty well. And then now all you have to do is put everything back in the box, and then you put a sticker on it. It has your address and return right here. So you just gotta put a sticker and throw it in the box. I mean, throw it in the box. Throw it in the mailbox and you're good to go. So I hope this was informative, because and I'll keep y'all updated on what happens. Yeah, it's been real, it's been fun. Hope to see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.